Stop scrolling. Hello, so let us now find the derivative of the e squared with respect to x. So others may think or confused of the exponent 2 here. Like maybe others are thinking that we'll be using another type of rule, which is the power rule. But in this case, the e here is considered a Euler's number, which is equivalent to 2.718. Now, no matter what constant exponent that we put above e or the Euler's number, it doesn't change the fact that it is just a constant numerical value. So as the constant rule states that the derivative of any constant is equal to is always equal to 0.